Hello, Nick and Smiles of Austin. My name is Eddie with LineNet Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, bro, please do this for me. So by the end of this video, you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So this is the main web page for your guys' website or business. And the way Google works is actually your main web page needs to at least have 1,500 words with keywords implemented in them in order to be optimized with Google. Well, preferably you want to at least have 1,500 words. Now, in order to find out how many words you guys have, I actually use a free SEO tool called SEO Quake, and I actually can hit page info and I can scroll down and you guys have about 1,700 words, which is fantastic. But looking at your main page, it doesn't look like you guys have about 1,700 words. Actually, there are a few things that are a little off with this main web page, but regardless, when I go into your guys' one of your top competitors and do the same exact thing, hit page info, they have about 2,300 words, but they also have a lot of keywords implemented in their web page, whereas you guys have different types of keywords implemented, which isn't really helping rank a little better, because when these bots or Google's bots go through and they see these keywords, they think, hey, do they know what they're talking about, and should we rank them for this? Whereas when you have more repeats of that same word, you actually have a better chance of ranking. So the next thing I want to go over is citations. And basically we call this the Google Map Pack or the maps. And on these results we can see the business name, address, and phone number, aka maps. So when I search up Dentist, Austin, Texas, I can actually scroll down, and this is what I'm talking about. This is the Google Map Pack. So you must be asking, how do I rank in maps? Well, we actually use a tool, another free tool that you can use called Local Citation Finder. And here, when we put in your web page, we actually can take a look and see that you guys have about 10 citations. Now, these citations, or aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, EX, City Store, so on and so on. And when we look up at your actual other competitors, they have about 10. So when we actually go back into the Google Map Pack, the reason why these web pages are ranking so high is because they have such a large amount or vast amount of citations. And they're very easy to go after. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is backlinks. And this is probably the most important aspect I want to talk about, or aspect in Google I want to talk about. And we call these backlinks, basically we call them authority links or link juice. And when we search up again, Dentist, Austin, Texas, you can see that you guys aren't number 1. Now, this is where you want to be. And to get there, you need to beat out your competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. So site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have, let's say, Delta Dental linking back to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you, because hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now, in order to get these backlinks, we can actually go into another application called Ahrefs, and we can not only implement your web page, but your competition web page, and we can see that you guys have about 7 referring domains, which is giving you 22 backlinks. Now, that's a really good start. But if we look at your guys' competition, they have 135 referring domains and counting, and they're getting about 583 backlinks, plus some. So what we can actually do, the beauty of Ahrefs, is we can actually go into referring domains and we actually can go after every single one of these backlinks and put it on your web page And then we can also go after every single one of your top competitors and see what they have and go after their backlinks as well. So once again, I want to go over the three things, and that's content. Your front page should at least have 1,500 words, rich keywords implemented on your main page. Citations, you want to at least have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And last but not least, link juice. You need more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, well, what now? Well, you can either go with this information that I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and energy, you can give me a call at 512-823-0370. Once again, my name is Eddy with Linenet Solutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.